Are you looking to build your skill set and start making more money online? Well, this video is for you, so listen up. Today we're talking about an in-demand skill that can make you a ton of money. Anytime you're able to identify an obstacle in someone else's way, something, I like to think of it as rocks in their backpack, something that's weighing them down, that's stopping them from being able to accomplish whatever it is they're trying to do. Like they're a business running their business, you identify something that's in their way. If you can take one of those rocks off of their backs, man, oh man, you can make a ton of money. So that's what we're talking about in this video. I'll show you where to find people who are hungry for your skill. We'll talk about the power of the gig economy, and we'll talk about starting a business the easy way. So if this interests you, then keep listening. If you want to make money online or in person, you have to identify a market, people who will be willing to give you money in exchange for your skill set. In this case, if you become a writer, if you use that skill, maybe writing is something that comes really easily to you. It comes naturally. You're able to write to your heart's content all day and all night on all sorts of topics. If that sounds like you, then yeah, you can totally monetize that skill, but you have to identify a market who's willing to give you money in exchange for that. So how do you do that? Easy way to do it. I recommend going into Facebook, finding Facebook groups and finding different online communities of people who are your ideal market, who are the kinds of businesses or the kinds of people that you want to work with. So say, for example, you go into a community that's all about moms who run businesses out of the trunks of their car, for example, traveling businesses like that. So you can find different communities of people who share that same interest or who are part of that same shared community. You can go into those communities and then find your ideal customers in there. Now, the next thing I would recommend is start writing articles for different small businesses. Start to show your skills and your talents and to benefit your ideal audience. That will help give you testimonials. It'll help give you traction. And that way you can leverage that experience and leverage those testimonials to get you more and more paid work. Fabulous idea, I think. And another fabulous idea, if you haven't already, is to hit the subscribe button and join us here on the channel. We got new videos for you every week, helping you and your small business level up your influence, your authority, and ultimately make more money online. We've all seen the disruptive technology that Uber and other delivery services and car services have been able to give to our economy. And this is what we call the gig economy, being able to hire people just for that short little project or that individual step in a larger project. So how can this benefit you and your small business, especially if you're trying to position yourself as a writer with this new skill that you've been building? Well, I say you have to check out Fiverr and Upwork. These two platforms, and there are a growing number of platforms like this where you can set up a page that says, hey, look at my expertise. This is what I can do for you. Here are my prices, and feel free to hire me. This way, you don't have to go chasing any customers. You just put yourself up in the marketplace and you can find people who are willing to hire you for your skill set. Now, this does require a little bit more work on the back end, but this is also fantastic for those of you who are looking to take your business to the next level. And say you want to start building an agency. Rather than just writing yourself, maybe you want to hire other writers for much larger jobs that you're coordinating now. Well, Fiverr and Upwork are great places to find and hire people for those gigs as well. So you can make money in either way, depending on how you use those platforms. And that's pretty fantastic. So if you are a person who has a fabulous skill like writing, or maybe you're a graphic designer, let us know down in the comments. tell us what your superpower is, because we want to hear it. Let's be honest, this is the truth about how you get started doing business online, okay? Just gonna put it out there. A lot of people will tell you not to do this, but it actually works, and it's the quickest way to get it done. It's not something you want to get in the habit of doing, but if you want to get started, this is the best way to do it. So listen up. Are you ready? Here we go. You're going to find like 3 to 5 customers who you're going to work for free. You're going to be able to create a great asset. You're going to get a great testimonial off of them. You're going to work out the kinks in your business, and you're going to be able to do this with actual customers. So I always recommend starting with those who are closest to you, starting with people who have a little bit more forgiveness because you're just starting out. Don't go out there and find customers and charge them a ton of money while you're still trying to figure it out. All right. So go out and find those ideal customers, work with them, create something pretty amazing, write out their sales page, something like that. So this could require that you go out and you check out the assets that they have out there. Do they have a great email? Do they have a great sales page? Is there a piece of copy that's missing that you as a writer can help them solve? Look out there and go try and find those customers. And as I always tell you, my friends, make sure you're also sharing that journey that you're on with your audience, putting that out there on your show, on your stage, in what we call your connection machine. So whether you have a podcast going, or you have a live show, or you have pre-recorded content that you release on a regular basis, whatever your content structure looks like, make sure that you're sharing this journey with your people. You can position yourself as the authority and as the expert to both your existing audience and to those who are just coming into your world through whatever different means they come upon you. Making sure that you're having those conversations, sharing that journey with your people is absolutely essential. And as you always know, I will always love to share with you the secrets and the ways that we like to do that in the visibility hacking world. And we do that absolutely free. Come hang out with us. Head over to visibilityhacking.com and click the link at the top of the page that says Become a Visibility Hacker. Come hang out with us in our Facebook group, and we'll see you on Friday Night Live because we like to hang out. So come join us. Anyways, in the meantime, check out one of these videos. I will see you in our next one. And until then, remember, I love you. Be excellent to each other. Go out there and find your people because they're waiting for you.